Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to insert a little footage of the breakfast buffet that Rob took for us. Put it in right here.
Good morning. Just out and about kind of early this morning. Just taking some footage for y'all. Seems like it's going to be an absolutely gorgeous day. There's the water slide that people keep getting stuck in. People are starting to get by the pool. I'm gonna swing into the morning buffet, see what we got for breakfast. You got the drink station for your juice and your coffee and your tea, your hot chocolate, all kinds of good stuff. You got hot cereals and some cinnamon and raisins, oatmeal, hot meat, milk, and cream of wheat. The buffet on this ship is very, very nice. Got all kinds of different breads, rolls, boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, baked beans, bacon, sauce fresh to make, omelet station, some fruit, so you can get egg, cheese, ham, tomatoes, different types of fruit for breakfast. On the other side you got another drink station, and you got fruit, and you got danishes and banana nut cereal muffins, different types of fruit up top, strawberry danish, croissants, watermelon, breakfast cereals, some yogurt down there. These are interesting. Florentine Benedict hollandaise sauce, classic egg white. Good morning. Another omelet station. So that's 3 omelet stations so far. Boiled eggs, baked beans, grilled tomatoes, sausage, muesli, blueberry compote, mixed berries, plain yogurt, granola. Another omelet station, baked beans, grilled tomatoes, pork sausage, scrambled eggs, banana compote, waffles, and some French toast and pecan sticky buns. More breakfast, hash browns, buttermilk biscuits and gravy, turkey sausage, ham, corned beef hash, eggs, boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, more sausage, even more bacon, fruit, some cheeses and meats, ham, salami, cream cheese and salmon mousse. Good. More English bangers, English bacon, grilled tomatoes, country potatoes, baked beans, Denver omelet, cinnamon raisin French toast, banana compote, pancakes, waffles. Another omelet station, another drink station with coffee. You can get all the good stuff. You've got herring, cream cheese, salmon mousse, more meats and cheeses, rolls, bagels, English muffins, bread for the toaster, so you can toast your own toast. English bangers, more French toast, waffles, pancakes, all kinds of good stuff. Wow, that buffet is absolutely massive, and everything looked really pretty good. Possibly my favorite part of the ship is this model. Absolutely awesome. I think it's just really, really cool. But down here, I think there's a little breakfast area also, so you can just sit back and relax and enjoy the absolutely gorgeous views. Yep. A little coffee station, some fruit, some muffins, some rolls, croissants, danishes, muffins, more croissants, rolls. Then you have some more breakfast cereal and milk. Good morning. Fantastic. Yourself? And you just never get tired of this view. This is the observation deck. And this really is one of my favorite parts of the ship. Got another little food and juice station here. Orange juice, apple juice, cranberry juice, lemonade, water, more orange juice, water, some breakfast cereals, some milk, muesli, mango yogurt, strawberry yogurt, plain yogurt, and some fruit. More breads and muffins. All kinds of good stuff. Okay, now I'm heading back to the room to get Favor. She's getting dressed and we'll begin our day.
Okay, so we are headed, it is sea day 3, the last sea day, but we have one more port day tomorrow, which is so unusual for us. We're not used to that kind of cruise. We are headed to deck 8 because we haven't seen everything on deck 8. So we're gonna explore a little bit, and then I don't know what we're doing. We have go-karts this morning, so
Go-karts later.
yeah, we'll be doing that for sure. All right, here we go. Oh, deck 8's the shopping. Oh, going outside.
And the little touch pads so the doors don't always.
Yeah, stay open.
How gorgeous.
Ooh, it's beautiful and warm. This side of the ship has got the sun today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah. We really do enjoy the little seating areas on the waterfront. They're quiet. You can gather with friends and chat.
And it's non-smoking.
Non-smoking is the big thing here. So we'll be quiet so we don't disturb everyone relaxing. Just beautiful. Look at this aft deck. This is great.
It's a nice app.
Yes, nice aft. That's right, honey.
You just stand out here and look at it. Come on out.
No, good. Here's a bar, club, Liverpool Club, Maltings Whiskey Bar, and then here is the humidor. You can go in and have a cigar. Let's see if anyone's in there. No, so we'll go in and check it out. There you go. Oh, I love the artwork. Surprisingly, it doesn't smell that terrible in here. I mean, there is a smoke smell, but not like you would think, because it's cigar smoke, not cigarette smoke. So there's a very big difference. So there you go. But it says not to smoke cigarettes in here, but there are cigarette butts in the ashtray. So Maybe there's a different kind of cigars. I wouldn't know. There you go. So here is the water slide. There's an individual right there waiting in case they need to open the trap door. There are two of them, two trap doors. Watch somebody come flying through here. I can see you slow down considerably, like over on that side.
Yeah.
Woo, no thank you.
This is the starting drop.
Yeah. And then you loop around and you come around that way. If the possibility of getting stuck is greater than 1%, I'm not going. What do you think, babe?
You can do it.
No, no, for you.
Probably not.
Yeah, I don't weigh enough. First of all, they said you have to weigh like a certain amount. I don't think I weigh enough.
Two of our group got stuck already, and then the one lady you ran into who was
bawling and upset. Yeah, I mean, no way. No. We're back here at the the two-seater. Oh man, that's what we should have done. I could have just ridden with you. Here they are getting their debriefing on how to handle everything and do everything. There's Rob right there. There he is. Love you. There's Derek and Gregory. Wait, that's Derek. Where's he? Must be up in the front. Oh, there. Okay. Hi. It's hard to tell who's who with the helmets on.
definitely.
Yeah.
They have a face mask now.
Right, yeah. There they go.
So much fun though.
I'm glad. Did you have fun?
I had a great time.
I'm glad.
So they do it in the atrium, but
No, they do it in the theater, but they show it on the big screen.
hello. The same thing.
Where it tastes, no, local, having a little lunch. We
Oh,
would
it's in
order
the
this
theater.
time
I see.
somebody
It's
gets
listed
fish and
twice.
chips.
Yeah, it's in the theater, but they
All right, so I ordered the turkey chili. Looks pretty good. Came with the cornbread. And then the salad. It's a Caesar salad. Yummy. And this is fish and chips, gluten-free. Nice. Oh, and wings, gluten-free. Nice. Okay, well, I have been in bed the majority of this day. It's 4:41. I think I went and laid down, I don't know, 3.
Oh, one.
Yeah. I think I got gluten last night at dinner. So I ordered just the grits portion of the of one of the entrees that had shrimp in it, and I can't eat shrimp. So I think they brought it to me and only supposed to have the grits, and I said, don't worry about it, I don't need to have it. Well, they brought it back anyway, and I think because it was so quick, I don't know if he just took it back to the regular kitchen, not realizing it was a gluten-free meal, I don't know, but I have been suffering.
She suffers.
She suffers. So that's what's been happening. So now we're gonna go and try and get back out with the rest of the world. I stumbled down to have the picture done with the group and right back up to the room, but I think I'm feeling a little better. I've had lots of water. So anyway, but I want to show you the seas out here. I mean, it's like rough. The ship's really rocking. So interesting.
You're out in the Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah, the differences in cruising in Atlantic versus the Gulf of Mexico. Rob's gonna have a little fun. He never plays. I'm so excited he's playing. They're having a little fun over there too. Oh, yay! Oh. Arcade. Oh, look, you can get some snacks. Oh, wow. M&Ms, caramel M&Ms, Skittles, Chewy Sprees, and Nitwits. I remember Sprees. Some toys. Star Wars Battle Pod. How do you get in there? Open. Oh, wow. That's cool. Immersed in the game. Air hockey? What is it? Oh, Guitar Hero? Some big game?
Oh, the
virtual reality? Yeah. Jurassic Park? Deal or No Deal, and some more fun games over here, and a motorcycle game. All right, we saw level 5 before. We walked down it in the video arcade. Look for a couple of friends, and then we have dinner at La Cucina. Here's our table. Outdoor seating as well. Add that. Honey, open that up and see what that is.
Cut that open and put some meatballs on that.
Hate you. Oh,
that
look at
looks
this.
gorgeous. Oh,
You want
my
to feel it?
goodness.
And then have that big dinosaur and that big purple dinosaur.
All right, here's our pasta fagioli. No noodles.
There's one.
Oh, did you find one?
It goes with my meatball.
No, he didn't find no noodle. I think it's part of a bean.
That one's definitely, yeah, I think you're right.
That's okay. Here is my pasta carbonara, gluten-free. A little different, but you know, this is the kind of pasta they have. And there's the sauce underneath.
The Baja Mar Casino.
Gluten-free salmon. Oh, it looks beautiful. Oh my goodness. Tasty, tasty. And Carl has gluten-free chicken cacciatore. Look at that beautiful grape of polenta. Oh, enjoy that, Carl. Here's Rob's pizza.
Look at this.